Here I've got Umidigi One Pro, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone by tapping on power key, then select power off and wait until it's shut down. Once it's off, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both of them all together. And now you are in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection you should pick volume down key, so let me choose recovery mode, it's the first possibility. Tap on volume down key. And now just tap on power key and hit volume up key once. And now you are in Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both up and down keys, and for selection use power key. So all you have to do is to locate and slide down to wipe cache partition option, then tap on power key and select yes to confirm that you would like to perform this operation. And that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete. So now we can smoothly reboot system. Now to do it, just tap on power key and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, you are back in the normal mode. You can unlock your device and use it in a normal way. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.